Hello UPCA takers, this is Sachika. So today, try nating sagutan itong SAT problem na to. So given this triangle, and given that tan of x is 12 over 35, what is the perimeter of this triangle? So, first of all, since this is a trig problem, kailangan natin gumamit ng trig functions. We have a shortcut na tinatawag na SOHCAHTOA. Okay? But before that, let's discuss muna yung parts ng triangle na to. So, x, y, z here are all angles. Okay, this is angle x, angle y, and angle z. But before that, discuss muna natin yung parts ng triangle. So, the longest side is called the hypotenuse. We have two other sides, yung opposite and adjacent, pero yung dalawang yon nag-change depende sa reference angle mo. If our reference angle is x, yung opposite side niya is the side directly opposite sa kanya, which is 24. Yung adjacent naman is katabi, which is this one. If our reference angle is y, yung opposite sa kanya is this one, di ba? Tapos yung adjacent is ito. So, ibig sabihin, nag-change yung adjacent and opposite side, pero same pa rin yung hypotenuse. So, yung S, C, and T here stand for our trigonometric functions. S stands for sine, C stands for cosine, and T stands for tangent. Okay? O and H here stand for opposite and hypotenuse. Yung format nito is the second letter over the third letter. So that's opposite over hypotenuse. For K, A stands for adjacent over H hypotenuse. Now, lastly, O again is opposite over A adjacent. So, if you look at our problem, meron tayong tan x is equal to 12 over 35. So, yung reference angle natin dito is this one. Sabi niya, tan x is 12 over 35. So, from here, tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. So, ibig sabihin dito, tan of x is equal to opposite over adjacent. Now, yung reference angle natin is x, di ba? Tapos yung opposite sa kanya is 24. So, ibig sabihin, itong opposite na to is 24. Tapos, hinahanap kasi sa atin, di ba, is the perimeter. So, kailangan natin yung both sides na to. So, from this equation, makukuha natin itong side na to. Okay? And as you can see, 12 is just half ng 24. So, ibig sabihin, whatever this is, kung ito times 2 mo, yun dapat yung denominator dito. Kasi dapat same sila ng ratio. Okay, so ibig sabihin, adjacent here is just 35 times 2, which is 70. So ibig sabihin, this is 70. So from here, gagamitin natin yung Pythagorean theorem. So recall that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where a and b are the two legs ng triangle mo, tapos c is the hypotenuse. So, from our figure here, yung two legs natin ay 24 and 70. So, 24 squared plus 70 squared is equal to c squared. Ito yung hinahanap natin yung hypotenuse. So, 24 squared is 576 plus 70 squared, which is 4,900. That is equal to c squared. 576 plus 4,900 is 5,476. That is equal to c squared. So, let's take the square root of both sides. Magka-cancel to. So, that's equal to c. The square root of 5,476 is 74. So, ibig sabihin, this side is 74. Hinahanap sa atin is the perimeter. Recall, perimeter is just the sum ng lahat ng sides mo. Okay, so let's add lahat ng sides. We have 24 plus 74 plus 70, which is 168. So, our perimeter is 168. So, ayun. I hope you learned something from this video.